Hi everyone, how's it going? So this is the higher refrigerator. Okay, let me just show you top to bottom. So when you buy it for the first time, you're going to unbox it. You're going to take it out of the box and you're going to make sure that it's not broken from anywhere and everything is functional and it's in brand new condition. First thing you want to do is that you want to just open the fridge and make sure that there aren't any uh, packaging material or any kind of like sheets, plastic sheets or anything inside. Just take out all the packaging. Okay. Same thing with the freezer. Apparently it's filled. It's a used fridge. This isn't new. So just make sure everything's intact. Everything looks fine. Everything looks good. And now go towards the back. You'll find a power cable somewhere over there. That one right there that you can see coming out of the fridge. It's going to go all the way till the power supply and it'll be plugged in. And once you plug it in and you've waited the right amount of hours that you wait, the safety hours before turning on a refrigerator, uh, just turn it on and it should just start working right away. Okay. So just do that and just see how it goes. It should start cooling from the freezer compartment and also the fridge compartment. This this one would start cooling before, since it works faster, it works, higher, it needs more power. So this turns up quickly compared to this. So yeah, try it out, let me know how it goes, and I'll see you in the next video.